Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I'm Gayathri Kumar. Today I'll show you how to make an eggless carrot walnut cake. So this is baked in a loaf tin and it's a really dense cake and it tastes so yum. Okay, let us see how to make it. First preheat your OTG to 180 degrees centigrade and then in a bowl mix Maida, baking powder and baking soda and cinnamon. These are all the dry ingredients. Just mix everything together with a whisk or a fork. It's easier to use a whisk because it mixes properly. Okay, now let us add the powdered brown sugar. You can also use white sugar here, or you can also use jaggery powder or dark brown sugar. Whatever sugar you are using, the color of your cake will depend on that. Now let us add all the liquid ingredients: melted butter, milk and curd, and mix them thoroughly. I always use a whisk to mix it for 70 or 80%, but not until it's completely smooth, because if you mix it a lot, your cake batter might become really thick and dense. So the final mixing is done with a spatula. Make sure that all the dry ingredients are mixed into the wet ingredients. Now let us add the grated carrot and again fold in the batter. So again, using a silicone spatula will help to mix it properly without over whisking your batter. Okay. So after you mix in all the carrot, then it's time to add the walnut. So you can just chop the walnuts first itself and then again add it to the batter, and it actually gives you nice when you bite into the soft cake, you get that nutty kind of texture inside the cake. Okay, and it tastes so good. Carrots and walnuts go very well together. Now once the walnuts are mixed inside the batter, we need to transfer it to a loaf tin. I have actually greased and lined a 7 inches loaf tin and have kept it ready. Okay, so once you mix the batter, you immediately transfer it to your cake tin, a loaf tin. So this is a pretty dense cake because of all the 200 grams of carrot is too much for cake batter. So the cake will end up denser, and we can't expect a lighter cake with carrots and walnuts. Okay, so this is a dense cake. It won't rise much, but it tastes so amazing. Okay, you can also add vanilla extract. If you like, you can also add vanilla extract in the batter itself. I haven't added it here. I'm just leaving it with just the cinnamon flavor. Okay, so by the time you mix all the batter and everything, your oven will be ready and it will be preheated and it will be ready for baking. So once you transfer the batter to the loaf tin, smooth it out and take it to the oven and bake it for 35 minutes or 40 minutes. Depends upon the oven. And once it's ready, just remove it out, keep it on a wire rack and test it with a toothpick. So if the batter doesn't stick to the toothpick, then it's fine. Now let's wait for 10 minutes before flipping the cake onto the wire rack. Okay, you shouldn't flip the very hot cake onto the wire rack immediately because it will easily break. Okay, so just give 10 minutes before flipping it onto the wire rack and then just let it cool completely. I always wrap it in cling film and let it rest overnight before slicing it. Okay, slice it with a sharp knife. You don't need a serrated knife for this, and as there are so many walnuts inside, you need to be really careful while slicing it. And look at that, it looks so beautiful, studded with walnut, and it also tastes amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know if you make the cake. Let me know in comments if you have tried it, how you liked it. Okay, bye.